going to YouTube. So today I did a load coming out of Shippensburg, Pennsylvania, going to Rochester, New York. It was a cool little run. I used a Convoy app, power only. First time ever doing Rochester, New York. It was a sweet little run, you know, easy, 300 miles. I get there. It's my first time doing a load, so I actually got some footage for you guys if you want to check it out to see how it is. The facility is the Wegmans distribution center. So if you've never been there before, check out the video. They have a little setup that's pretty interesting. So you get there, you get to the gate. They don't accept you within 2 hours, before 2 hours of your load appointment time. You pull up to the gate. They give you a little section in the back for vendors to park in. You park, drop your trailer, unhook from it, pull out about a foot away. Wait for a yard jockey to let you know what to do. Which basically all they're gonna tell you to do is go around to the little bobtail section that's along a rail, back into the bobtail section, and wait for them to call you when your load is done being loaded. They pick it up and take it to the section that's getting unloaded. So they call me around. Like, appointment time was 7. They called me around, what was it, 10:15. So it's not, I went to sleep, so it was a cool little nap. I get to the docking area, and it's like a little underground garage area. Hook up to it, exit out the opposite end, and just head down the road. The thing about it is that area doesn't have a lot of truck stops if you're going 390 south. There was one, I think it was exit 10. Yeah, it was like exit 10, 390 south. But if you're going on 90, there's truck stops along 90. I went to a TA at exit 5. I'm here now, about to get rested up, take a shower, get some grub, and hopefully get a little bit more rest. But yeah, so check out the video. If you guys like it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the little bell notification. So any video that I drop, you guys will know. Alright, later my truckers. Bye.